Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to generate unlimited YouTube thumbnails for free without any subscription. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Cloud Skill Boost. The link is also attached in the description. You can check the description section as well, and then open the second website and you'll see an interface like this. Click on the join button at the top right corner. You can continue using your Google account or sign up with your email and password, but I'll continue with my Google account. After that, you will see an interface like this. In the left sidebar, click on Paths. Then click on the search bar and select Generative AI. Now scroll down a bit and select Generative AI Explorer, Vertex AI. Then scroll down again and select Design Prompts in Agent Platform. Now you will see a green Start Lab button. Click on it and complete the verification to confirm that you are a human. Once the verification is complete, you'll need to wait in the queue for your turn. As you can see, I'm currently number 5 in the queue. Sometimes it may take a little longer, but you guys don't need to worry about it. After the queue is completed, you'll get your username, password, project ID, and region as well. Now move your cursor over. Open Google Cloud Console, right click on it and open the link in Incognito tab. Once the link will be open in Incognito tab, click on Agent Platform and select Studio. Once you click on Studio, it may take a couple of seconds to be loaded. Here you see a new window will pop up where you'll get access to different models like Gemini 3.1, Nano Banana 2, VEO 3.1, etc. So select Nano Banana 2. In this window, you can type your own prompt or even get help from ChatGPT to create one for you guys. I'm going to paste my own prompt. And simply click on submit button at the bottom. Now wait for a couple of moments and your YouTube thumbnail will be generated according to your prompt. So finally, my thumbnail has been generated successfully and it's easily downloadable without any watermark. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.